Hello, hello guys. This is the test for debloating Windows 10. I have freshly installed Windows 10 as you can see. Let me show you. This is my drivers updating. Here's my drivers or some Windows update is going on. I have nothing installed. All the bloatwares are present. OneDrive, OneNote. I just installed OBS so that I can record and few more softwares. Microsoft Collection, Store, Office, Edge, everything is present, nothing is deleted. Xbox, your phone, everything is present. So today I will show you how to debloat and how to use a very useful script to debloat Windows 10 completely. For that you need to go to Edge and type Google. Just search Google and then you have to type Farag 2 Sophia script. Go to the first link and this is a script which will debloat your Windows 10 completely. It will remove Cortana, OneDrive, everything. As you can see, I have everything here. I have Cortana here and this is Cortana and I have OneDrive also. Let me show you. I have OneDrive also here. Everything will be gone after, as soon as I use this script. So how to do it? Just go down, scroll down and press this download button, and I have to choose according to my Windows version. So here this script will work on all these system, even on LTSC. So to check what is my Windows version, I will type here WinVer and hit and open this. As you can see, my Windows version is 20H2 19042.631. So I have to download the appropriate version for 20H2. So let's just go down. As you can see, there are so many downloadable files here. This one is for LTSC, this one for PowerShell 7, and this is my version. So I will hit on download. This file is downloaded. So just I'll drag this to desktop. Let's go to desktop and I will extract. I will first open and check. I downloaded WinRAR also. Just to open this folder, and you can use Windows Explorer also. Okay, so I will extract everything here. I just close everything, close and close Microsoft Edge. Let me see about my updates. Just a moment, let me check what's going on. Okay, so everything is on, everything updated. I just have to restart, but I'll wait. I'll close everything. I will open this folder, and here I will have to press file and I'll have to open PowerShell as administrator. I have to open this inside this folder, not outside. Let me show you again. Just double click on this folder, go to file, open PowerShell, PowerShell as administrator. Just hit yes. And now close this window. Wait, wait for a few seconds. Let PowerShell start this folder. Now we are inside this folder, desktop, Sophia script, version this. Now I have to copy some commands. So accidentally I just closed. Don't close this window. Again I have to type Farag 2 Sophia script. Open the first link. Now go down, just click on this how to use. First choose the Rise script for your version, then download this version, expand the archive, open folder. Now I have to copy this first command. I have copied this, so now I can paste it here. Let me show you. I just pasted here, hit enter. Now I have to copy one more command. This, just copy it. No. I after this command, I have to copy this command and paste it here. Just right click on the PowerShell and you can paste it. I have delete everything. Just right click and it will be pasted. Now hit enter. Now I can close this window. It it the script is asking, have you customized every function in the script preset file before running? I didn't do anything to the preset file, so I will have to hit Y and press enter. I'm using the default script as it is, just downloaded, opened and run. It is asking, have I customized? I didn't do anything, just hit enter. Let the default script run. It will create a system restore point. As you can see, it is creating a system restore point for my Windows. This is a very powerful script. It will delete everything from your Windows 10 Pro, every bloatware, every software, everything. So you don't have to worry about anything. Let it run. Just wait for a few more minutes. As you can see, the script has started and it is running. Here I have to choose some scheduled tasks to stop, which I want to run and which I don't want to run. Just uncheck everything from here. I don't need any of these scheduled tasks to run. Oh, sorry, don't uncheck. Check everything here. Check everything from here. I don't want any scheduled task to run, so just disable it and wait for a few more minutes. Let the script run. Wait, let it run. Don't do anything. Don't press any key. Don't hit space bar. Don't hit enter. Nothing. Just wait. As you can see, it is started to install OneDrive. Don't press any key. Every time when you run this, I mean the first time you run this, everything like on my system, it will happen on your system also. So don't worry. Let it run. Now this pop-up window sometimes it gets hidden behind this, so you always have to check whether a pop-up window is came or not. So I have a pop-up window. It says which Windows feature I want to disable. So I do, always remember, don't never disable this PowerShell or the command will stop. I don't want XPS document writer. I don't want Windows features. I don't want any client folders. So I will disable these three, but don't disable PowerShell and PowerShell engine, or otherwise this command will stop because you will stop this. So uncheck these two and hit disable. This is a very powerful script. It will remove everything, every registry key, every file related to any software, any task, any process. It will remove everything from top to bottom. Now it is asking me which optional features I want to keep and which optional features I want to remove. So I'll remove Internet Explorer, Maths Recognizer, Windows Media Player, and OpenSSH client also. But I want to keep WordPad, so because sometimes it is useful, and I don't want any other thing from this folder. So uninstall. Wait, let the script run. Don't hit anything. Don't hit space. Don't hit enter. If you hit accidentally, if you hit spacebar or enter, it will skip that function. So you will have to run the whole process again. You will have to run this script again because you have pressed enter. So always remember, don't hit any other key. Just wait. As you can see, it is removing so many things. Always check if there is a pop-up behind. I don't have any pop-up now, so I can wait. Wait, there are some more functions to run. Don't do anything. Now here, some questions are asked. Would you like to change the location of the desktop? If you want to change, press C, but I suggest you not to change, not to do anything with the default preset. Just for to skip this location change, just check this, press S. The skip button is for S, short form is S. Just type S and hit enter. Would you like to change the location of document folder? I don't want, so press type S and hit enter. Downloads folders, the same question. Do you want to change the location of download folders? I don't want, so I want to skip. Type S and hit enter. For music folder, S. For pictures, S. For videos, S. Everything S. Skip. S is for skip and hit enter. And wait for few more seconds. Let the script run. And here on the top window, you can see what is going on. But don't press any key. Just let it run with the default preset. If you want, you can do some manipulation with the presets, but I would suggest not to do anything. It is coming up, Windows start menu is coming up by itself. I didn't hit the start button. So one more pop-up came. First of all, you have to select all for all users because I want to do it for every user on this Windows. Here is a some pre-installed apps, that is bloatwares. The first thing is Cortana, MSN Weather. I have to select which softwares I want to keep and which softwares I want to remove. So I will select from here. I'll select all, then I will remove some of them. Like I don't want to remove Windows calculator, Windows camera, and you can select anything. If you want to keep anything, just uncheck it. And if you want to remove everything, just select all and make sure that you are doing it for all users. Otherwise, you have to run the script again for all users. As you can see, I have selected everything, but I unchecked Windows calculator and Windows camera. I just left these two things and hit install. Wait for few more minutes. Let the script run. It is removing everything. Now, if you want to see, just open the start menu and you can see the apps are going down. One by one, every app will go down. You can see the progress here also, but don't hit any button on this PowerShell window. You just you if you want to see, you can watch it here. One by one, every software pre-installed bloatware will be removed, and you can see it here. As you can see, so many apps have already been removed, like from here and here also. Some of them are removed, some of them are left. Wait, let the whole script run. Don't press any key. As you can see, every script is gone now. Do you want to This window came up automatically, so it is asking, do you want to keep any background process to run? I don't want, so I'll move this and minimize it. I'll again select this. You can open this and check. So as you can see, all the bloatwares are removed and it is removed from the core. I mean, every registry key related to any software has been removed, so there is no bloatware now. It is completely clean. And there is one more uh, pop-up here, question here. For graphic performance preference, would you like to set the graphic performance setting of an app of your choice to high performance? So I want to skip, just type S and hit enter and wait for this to run again. Would you like to enable control folder access and specify the folder that Microsoft Defender will protect from malicious apps and threats? I don't want to do anything. Just type S and hit enter. S again and hit enter. S again and hit enter. Again S and hit enter. Wait for the script to run again. It is quite a lengthy process, but it is a very important script which will remove every bloatware. Now the whole script is completed. Just dismiss. It is a pop-up icon which shows, do you want to join our Telegram group? I don't want, so dismiss this, don't worry. And here is a warning, make sure to restart your PC, and the script ends because there is a PowerShell command open. I mean, this line is again came, so I don't want to do anything. Just close the window and it's done. As you can see, most of the bloatwares are gone and some are remaining. So what we have to do now, just right click, unpin, right click, unpin, unpin this and unpin this, unpin this also. And one next thing to do, I want to go here. I want to go to, as you can see here, OneDrive is gone now from here. And you can see the Cortana button which was here, it is also gone. Search button is also gone. Now what I was doing, just let's go to apps. If you can check if there is any software left, if there is any software left which you don't want, you can remove it manually from here. And one more thing, apps and features, just go to optional features. You can see there are some features left like Notepad. I don't want to remove Notepad because it is a very important software. And print management, if you have a printer you can keep it, and if you don't you can remove it. Like I don't have this, so I will remove this one. Fax and scan, I will remove this one also. Hello face, I will remove this one also. And WordPad, I will keep the WordPad, and I will keep the PowerShell integrated scripting. Don't remove these two, otherwise next time your PowerShell won't come up. Sorry. Every every software from here will be removed. Now if you want to get any software back, just see the features. And no, you can't get it from here, I'm sorry for that. Just close this, go back. Now go to home, go to Windows Update, and now you can restart your PC. When you restart your PC, you will get every bloatware removed from here. As you can see, all the bloatwares are removed. I just have some few softwares which I installed, like I left two softwares like calculator and camera, and other than that I have this audio software, audio driver, which is getting installed from Windows Update. Next thing, I installed Notepad, I installed OBS, I installed VLC player and WinRAR. That's it. I just keep these softwares and I removed everything from here. Now this is the last thing. Just close this and restart your PC and close this. And that's it for the video. I hope you like my content. If you like, just like, share and subscribe. This script is very powerful, so make sure that you don't hit any buttons, any don't you don't press any buttons in the while it is scripting. So after that, after a restart, you will see that every software, every bloatware is gone, and this is very powerful. And if accidentally if you hit something, don't worry, let the process completes and you have to rerun everything, so no need to panic. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, just like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.